So how do you disable the water lock on your Apple Watch? Let me explain how it works. Let's get started. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and you're not going to miss anything important. Okay, so when you go to the control center on your Apple Watch by pressing the side button, you can see most likely that there is like a water drop icon, and you're going to turn it on, which means that you enable the water lock. And in order to get outside of that and to actually start using the watch normally, you can see that it's going to show you this page, and now you're supposed to press and hold it down on the digital crown for a period of time, right? So you do it like this until the circle gets like full, then the sound will be, there's going to be like a sound you're going to hear from the speakers of the Apple Watch, and it is there to like get the water out of the speakers, right? So that's like a way to get the Apple Watch back to the normal after using it in the water, right? So that's like how you can do this. It's been kind of different in the past, like depending on your watch operating system. In the past, we used to just slide and rotate at the digital crown. Now we need to hold down on it for a few seconds. So it kind of changes a little bit, based on the software update. So make sure that your watch is up to date as well as your iPhone, but also make sure that you stay tuned by subscribing to this channel, because if anything changes, I'll most definitely update you about that. So make sure you subscribe and you're not going to miss anything important in the future. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.